Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your GoPro Hero 8 Black to your phone so you can view everything from your GoPro on your phone. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have your phone and your GoPro. Next thing is you're going to need to make sure you download and install the GoPro Quick Video Plus Photo Editor app. This is the main app that uses that GoPro has that connects to almost all GoPros, or all of them. So once you have that, just click open. I'm just going to click these pop-ups. Okay, next turn on your GoPro Hero 8 Black and make sure that it is charged before turning on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on the phone now. We're going to click this little GoPro icon on the top right corner, and we're going to look for the GoPro. So first thing what GoPro wants is you to enable location services and app permissions. So I'm going to go ahead and click enable. For better experience, turn on the locations. So I already have one camera connected, my old GoPro connected, but we're going to connect a new camera. So to connect a new camera, you might see a button right here to connect the camera, but I have right here up on top be a plus sign next to the little GoPro icon. So you're going to want to click that, and now I'll ask you to turn on Bluetooth. Please turn on Bluetooth to find your camera. So it gives me a little button over here on the bottom to turn on Bluetooth. To choose the GoPro that I have. So I'm going to choose the Hero 8 Black, which is the second to latest camera. And I believe this will also work for the Hero 9 Black. I'm going to slide down from the top. And as it says on our phone, we're going to click, I'm going to tap Preferences. And then we're going to tap Connections. We're going to click Connect Device. And we're going to tap the GoPro app. So now we're going to continue on our phone. Let's continue on our phone. And the phone is now searching for the camera. And just let it run, and there you have it. They found the camera. That was so easy. You just click Connect. We found the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Click the blue button, Connect, and now it's going to connect, and connection successful. So now you can name the device of the GoPro. I already named it a long time ago, but so I'm going to keep it as is. And now it's asking to update the camera because I haven't opened this in a long time, and or if you just got it, you might have an update to it. So click update the camera to make sure it's at the latest. It's at the latest. Device to use the GoPro Connect, and it is now updating. It will update my GoPro. And just click Connect when these pop-ups because it's using my phone connection. Okay, accept. So do as it says on the screen. Toggle off and on your phone's Wi-Fi. I'm turning it off. And now I'm turning it back on again. Got it. And now it successfully connected and updated. So my GoPro. So now I am connected to the GoPro, and I can click Control your GoPro. Okay, it says update complete on the GoPro. And the GoPro turned back on, and now it's looking to connect it to my phone, complete the connection, and then that I'll be able to control it on my phone. trouble connecting. So it said I had trouble connecting, but I just click try again. Okay, so you have to click enable preview and click the pop-up. And connection successful. Now my GoPro is connected to. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and do everything else you do on YouTube. Thank you, and have a great day.